Welcome to Daily Fix Guide, and in this video I'm going to show you how to view Wi-Fi passwords of previously connected networks with no root. So for your Android example, you'd like to go and open your settings. From there, you'd like to go into the network, which is going to be Wi-Fi. So you can click on the saved ones. For example, for my phone here, in this version of Android, I'll find here below saved network. I'm connected already to one, and I'll find here saved network. I can go and click on that arrow on that saved network. And here, as you can see, I'll be able to see a lot of things. So from here, as you can see, I'll be able to modify the network, and I'll be able to forget the network if I want to. But for us, we would like, of course, to get the password. So in order to get the password, we can just go and click on it to log into it instead of any other network. Of course, this will not work if you are not catching that network in your phone. So even if you connected to it previously, it will need to have, or you'll need to have access to it. So once you click on it, you'll find tab to share password. You can just go and click on it. They'll give you a QR code. As you can see, the screen share stopped for me because when you share a QR code, they stop the screen sharing. Let me just go and get it back. So here we are again. When you click as an example, now it will show because I enabled that in the settings. And as you can see, they'll show you a QR code. All you need to do, just go and take a screenshot of this QR code. And you'll have to use a QR code reader in order to understand what's the password. So if you have another phone, you can just go and use an example a scanner to scan it. And if you don't have it, you can just go to the scanner, normally any application, and you'll find an option to get into the gallery. So as you can see, for me, it's at the bottom right. I can just go and click on that, then choose my QR code. Once I choose that, I'll be able, or I'll have to frame the QR code and click on OK. And as you can see, I'll get the network name. And once I click on the password, I'll be able to see the password right here. And of course, this will work with any other network. If you're using, as an example, a Windows, you can do that in a different way. So let me just go here and change the scene into Windows. And let me just remove that. So you can go and open, as example, the command prompts. And you can open it, as an example, as administrator or normal. Both will work. But for me, I always run it as administrator. Here you would like to type net sh space WLAN space show and space profiles. So once you hit that, you'll basically see all the saved Wi-Fi names. All you need to do right now is just the following command. So you'll have to do the net sh again, WLAN again, show again, profile again, and here we'll simply add name equal, and we'll open quotes, two quotes, and I'm just going to type in space then k equal clear. So inside those quotes, you'll have just to enter the name of the password, or sorry, the name of the network that you want to see the password of. As an example, let's say I want this one. I deleted what I typed after, but anyway, I'm just going to choose this one. So plus, and I'm going to close the quotes again. And okay, I'm just going to retype that, which is key equal clear. So hit the enter button, and normally once you do so, you'll be able to see every information about that network as an example. So you'll see the name and a lot of other stuff. And where's the password? It's going to be the key content. So here's it. That's basically the password. So that's basically how to do it on both Windows and your Android as well. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.